Hi, I'm Steph and I work at the Rotorua campus in Animal Technology. I wanted to show you today some of the things that our team's been using on Moodle to promote some flexible delivery in our classroom. So if you want to come to my tab on the Inspire Flexible page, which is just up here, I'll show you first some of the databases that I've been using. Now, at any time you want to pop me a question about anything, you can use the forum down the bottom, further questions for Steph, because unfortunately I'm not able to make it here in person today, but I would still really like to help you out if you've got any questions. You can also contact me on my phone number or send me an email. Okay, to start with, databases. I find them similar to glossaries, except that you're able to edit the fields that the students are going to need to put in to their glossary, essentially. So to start off with, I can show you an example that we've used in some of our veterinary nursing courses. So we use the database in this example as a method of students collaborating together to increase their pool of instrument knowledge without them all individually having to, say, research 50 instruments. We got them to do groups of instruments and then pull all their information that they'd found together. So here I've got it in list view, and you can see that the students have entered the name of the instrument type, description and picture. And these are all fields that I required them to enter. And in list view, the student can keep scrolling down to see a list. They can also view entries as a single, where they can go through from page to page looking at the different entries. So we use this as a method of students researching information and then also having it there as a database for them to study from for their exams. To see what it looks like from the student perspective, what they see when they put an entry in, I'm going to click on Add Entry up here. And you can see that this database is specifically tailored for instruments. So it has name of the instrument, it's a box type. There's then a larger text box for them to put their blurb in. And then I've specified that I want a picture to go in there. They would then save and view it. So what I have on my page, if I go back to databases, is I have an Inspire example database for you guys. So if you were to click on that, you can then see some that myself and Jamie and Jeremy have put in. So this is to show you, obviously not everyone has experience with surgical instruments, but this is something you may be more familiar with. It's quite personalised for you, so if you want to have a go, you can add an entry, put your name in, click on the drop box for which campus you're at, some random fact about yourself, and then a picture file at the bottom. Once you've done that, you can press Save and View, and yours will join in onto the list.